Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manually go about checking for updates on your Microsoft Word product. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and then you want to go down and select Account on the left panel here. On the right side, you want to go ahead and where it says Office Updates, select the Update Options button, and select the Update Now. Check for and apply updates for Office. Go ahead and left click on that. And then hopefully you should be up to date. And if not, it should go ahead and proceed and download and install the latest updates for your Office product. So should hopefully have been a pretty straightforward process for you guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.